Dear nurses, alongside the 19th Emirates Critical Care Conference, ECCT Dubai, I'm delighted to invite you to the 5th Emirates Nursing Critical Care Society Conference under the patronage of the Emirates Nursing Association, affiliated by the World Federation of Critical Care Nurses, to be held from 12th to 14th of May 2023 in the Convention Center, Festival City. There are certain courses that will be of the interest of nurses like Emergency Neurological Life Support or ENLS, ECMO, airway management, basic ventilation, managerial skills, and much more. The aim is for you to leave with the new insights, strategies, and ideas that you can apply in your own practice to improve patient outcomes. Thank you, and see you in the 19th Emirates Critical Care Conference, Dubai.